Buenas tardes, mi nombre es el maestro Ofelio Gallardo Soto, y estamos aquí para enseñarles lo que es la unidad número 1 del presente simple, en los cuales estaremos viendo lo que son respuestas sí o no en inglés. Ok, aquí tenemos algunas preguntas sobre el presente simple y referente a algunos contextos que se tienen que estar viendo. Take a look at the pictures and see the questions that are going to be making. The first question here is, do you like sports? And the answer is in the positive manner. Yes, I do. I play soccer. Listen, right here is the yes question is the affirmative way plus the pronoun plus the verb that becomes from the question, the main question that is do. After that, they had to put I play soccer. Take a look at the verb. The verb is in the positive way, but also you can put with the pronoun I, that is mean yo in Spanish, with the verb play in the same way that is in the infinitive. All right, I play soccer. This is in the positive way. The second question here is, what about your brother? Does he play soccer? Take a look at the answer. Now the answer here is and the negative statement. No, he doesn't. He plays sports, but he likes to watch on TV. Right here, the first one is find the verbs in the conversation in the simple present. The main verb right here is like, play, plays, and watch. All right? So this one like is for the first person, and play with the S and watch with S, es at the end. We use it like this because when we use the third person, that is he, she, it, we have to add s at the end of the main verb that is used in the simple present. There is a simple grammar rule that we need to follow. Okay, number two, which verbs are auxiliary verbs? The main question here is do, does, and doesn't. And does is for the third person, and even when this is a question and the answer is a negative for the third person, we need to put doesn't. All right, the third main question here is, can you notice an error? Okay, right here we can see he don't plays. That is a big mistake that we don't want to make. All right, so the main here is doesn't play for the third person. No, he doesn't. He doesn't play without an X. Now here, take a look at the question. Does he watch TV? The answer here is no, he doesn't. He watch movies. The second question here is, does she miss her family? And the answer here is the positive way. Yes, she does. She misses her sister. Let's take a look at another examples. Comes with this one. Now, take a look at this part of the statement. Affirmative, negative. If we, you, they want, remember, it's a negative way. Don't want. Perfect. Now, with the third person, it's how it should be in the negative way. And negative statement, of course, is doesn't. Remember, it doesn't matter if we use doesn't, we need to use only the verb without s because it's implicit right here. Right here, we have the last test that we have in here. All right, think about the question. The first one, does she plays tennis or does she plays tennis? The second one, yes, she plays. Yes, she does. Number three, does he fix cars? No. He fix cars? No, he doesn't. He fix bikes? No, he doesn't. He fix bikes. Let's take a look at the question. Think about it. The first one, for sure, does she play tennis? Take a look. with the verb auxiliary verb here, does, we don't need to add s at the end like this one. This is a big mistake that most Latin Americans speakers made. So remember, don't use s when you use a does at the beginning with the third person. All right, number 2. Take a look. Of course, the main answer here is yes, she does. Remember, never use directly the verb in the answer. Yes, she does. Yes, she plays. It's a mistake. The right question is this one. Letter B, correctly. Now, number 3. Does he fix cars or do he fix cars? Of course, that is that one, the right one. Remember, every time we need to structure with the third person, the auxiliary verb does. Number 4, and the last one. Right. No, he doesn't. He fixes bikes. Remember, when the verb ends with the X, we need to add at the end only an E and an S because it's the grammar rules that we need to follow. Remember, every time when you see like this one, it's gonna be an easier way to understand, to learn more as you can. Okay, guys, see you next time. Have a nice time. Enjoy it, and I hope that you have to reach your knowledge that today. And I see you the next class. Have a nice one.